And what I want to show you next, I came up with one night at the restaurant when I was doing all the cooking. I got so bored with my side dishes, and I said, surely there's a twist that I can give to this corn. Well, I found a way, and it really, really is good. You start with fresh corn. We're going to take just a regular piece of bacon. You know, bacon grease and corn goes together. We're just going to spiral this piece of bacon around this piece of corn, just like that. So simple. And then we're going to put his husk back up around him. And then we're going to take ordinary twine and we're going to tie him back together because we don't want our piece of bacon coming off onto our grill. I remember in high school, I had a teacher that had never married, so I guess you could classify her as an old maid. And you know, I thought she never really quite liked me until my daddy had all of us cheerleaders over for one of his barbecues. After that night, Miss Plant was so sweet to me. Not only did she fall in love with my daddy, she fell in love with his chicken. So my daddy sure helped my last year of high school go a lot smoother. I've got my chickens ready, and I've got my corn, and I've got our new barrel grill out here that's waiting on us. Now we're gonna let that corn cook for about 30 minutes. While we're waiting for our corn to cook, I wanna give you just a few quick tips. When you're cooking your corn on the grill like I'm doing, you can take the silk off your corn and soak it, husk and all, in cold water for about 10 minutes. And then you put it on the grill. That way the water in the husk will keep it from burning up on the grill for you, and it'll be a beautiful golden brown instead of a black, burnt, crispy look. And another thing, when you're boiling fresh corn, add a little vinegar or lemon juice to your water, and it'll keep your corn this vibrant, bright yellow. And instead of putting salt, try adding a little sugar. It will bring out the sweetness and make that corn better than ever. I bet you've never had this either. Bacon, grease, and corn. It don't get no better than that, guys. Better watch it now. Got some more over here, but... Well, y'all start eating, guys.
It looks good.
What is Jody doing over there with his corn?
I think it's a husk off a piece of corn. I've never had it with bacon before.
Well, you look like you're doing fine by it.
Oh.
Now look, Dan's got it going on, Jody.
Dude.
Look, he's using his husk as his handle.
Oh yeah, I know handle.
Oh yeah.
I really, really do want to see the sights before the sun goes down.
Oh, definitely. I'm ready.
So can we get on?
Can I take this with me?
How about if I wrap it up and you finish it when we get back?
Oh, that'd be great. That'd be wonderful. Thank you.
Wonderful. See y'all next time.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.